Snowflake introduced distributed hyperparameter tuning for Snowpark ML projects. It is in public preview right now. We can use this feature in multi-node warehouses. That means it is available from small and above for the standard type of warehouses, and for Snowpark optimized warehouses, it is available from medium and above. It is right now implemented for grid search CV and randomized search CV algorithms, and we will see how we can use it. What we have here is a simple machine learning pipeline, and we will run it to see how much time it takes without using the distributed feature. Let's run. As you can see, it took 234 seconds to run the whole pipeline. Now we will run it by enabling the distributed hyperparameter tuning feature. Let's do that. This one took 62 seconds only. And we are using a standard medium-sized warehouse here, and that has only 2 nodes. So there is a significant improvement in execution time. Now we will see how to enable and disable this feature. The best thing about it is that it is by default enabled. And if you run a pipeline, it will be using the distributed hyperparameter tuning feature. But if you want to disable it, you have to import this statement, and that will disable your distributed hyperparameter optimization.